Tutorial: Test Activity and Check Activity. This tutorial explains how to use the test activity and the check activity features to create a reliable activity. Using the test activity feature is the best way to ensure that a learner will have the intended experience when completing an activity. Test activity will reset the activity, copying the initial network to the user network, and initialize all the interfaces similar to when the learner is doing the activity. The check activity is primarily designed to check the learner's results. When activated, the activity does not reset and the locking tree is disabled. It is also useful for testing activities during activity creation, but note that the initial network settings are not reflected. To begin, click Test Activity. The dynamic assessment percentage is shown in the instructions window. This value reflects the activity completion rate based upon the assessment items. An asterisk shows that this activity must also pass a connectivity test. These buttons provide navigation options for the instructions. This resets the current activity. Click Check Results to view the Check Results window. Check the top checkbox to display the instruction window at the top of the workspace. Router 0's Config tab is locked and is not accessible. None of the devices can be deleted either. Click here to check the results of the activity. This is the overall feedback page. Click here to go to the Assessment Items page. Click here to go to the Connectivity Results page. This activity is now This ends the Test Activity and Check Activity tutorial.